So this is the day after our wedding.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
So if we have that shot, we can get this goal, you know what makes sense. Because that one there, peanuts.
It's alright. My belly kind of strong.
It's look good for the camera. The camera had one of the looks at things, you know. If you say you're not that pretty?
Is that pretty?
No, we're not that pretty.
Look at the straw, baby.
Take it out?
Yeah.
Baby, I wanna be.
So this is the day after our wedding. Right? I can't even see you.
Sorry. I just made a point. What up?
You need to come over more.
What's this?
You need to come like here.
Please still? Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
Oh, that looks nice.
Thanks.
That potato salad?
Yeah.
Thank you. That potato salad? You sure? I do. Blue flag.
Robot?
Yeah.
How many did I go with last night? That's a robot.
Cool. Yes, please. Thank you. This looks lush. Let me get the picture. Please?
That's no problem, we can stretch.
Huh?
We can stretch.
No. I'm not giving that.
Yeah, like people feel don't like them.
Why?
Can't be, you restrict me.
You restrictive?
You feel like my feet decent.
Alright, pass it over here. Pass the ketchup as well, please. Don't quite soft. That's how I was trying to order in there because I hate it.
I want body support.
What bad? Pork bad.
This loving is forever. Baby, me show. Telling me I joke. And boy, I'll always love you right. Even when the road is rough. Every morning, baby, love. Say he wants his sugar love. So I give him the love. Baby, let me give you some more. Baby, love. Say he wants his sugar love. So I give him the love.
When you give your heart to me, I no go let you go. Where I no go do you, basa basa, baby, trust in me. I go do your body like skin tight. Where I go do you.
Oh God, I give you apologize for
something seriously.
Why? But the way it was but the way it was written, it looked like it says. But the way it was written, right? It looked like it said 1,876. No.
You're driving me tears. You're driving tears to me.
No man, I did that to me.
But listen, the way it was written. Listen, the way it looked on the paper, yeah, was like it said $1,876. It didn't look like 10%. It didn't look like 10%. That's not how you write 10%. And you're too much when you're cutting. What is the service charge? What is the service charge for? What's 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 the service charge for? We weren't told. We should have been told when we were ordering. What's the so technically?
That's true. That's true. Still. then if you tell them
If
before.
woman says, oh, if you are sat down, she would have bring over the menu, which is bring on the menu.
Basically, mommy lost the case. Mommy
You
lost the case. Mommy, you lose, but you lose. You just lose.
No, too sad. Please respect her. She needs to apologize.
No, so what? Put a bad handwriting. Never.
Oh, okay. So what I want to ask, who were you telling me to apologize?
No, sir, if you can't watch it,
Like that? You right?
put on the teddy there. Yes, Bob, it's my birthday.
That's right.
Yeah,
Happy birthday, Uncle Shaggy.
thank you very much.